Hey guys, welcome to my first channel, and today we are going to look at some of my cards, but in the next channel we are going to look at some of my rare cards like GXs. As you can see, we have some right here already, like a Wishy-Washy, a full Wishy-Washy Rainbow Volcanian EX. If you want to see, there we go. And so, we're going to look at these cards. And and then we will look at these, okay? So, let's see. We got a Oddish, Skip Loom, Panchow, a Fire Energy, Metal Energy, Lightning Energy, Fire Energy. What is this again? A Psychic Energy, Lightning Energy, Wobbuffet, Woobat, Fighting Energy, Willow, Staryu, Snore, Fire Energy, Parasitic Skateboard, Leaf Energy, Vivor, Sandshrew, Toxrit, Plessy, Zor, Reverse, because it's shiny, Escape Rope, Pairs, Cottony, Tangela, Slugma, Voltorb, Splitzy, Quick Talk, Split Top, Chansey, Split Top, Stunky, Scorpy, Zero, Natu, Mount Cortana, Bloxburtree, City Gym, Haircross, Seafall, Piplup, Torkoal, Hipchop, Piplup, and number one, Split Dizzy, Wigbert, Hollow, Keldor, Litten, and Sanduri. Now we are going to look at my books, my binders basically. We got a Mewtwo, Magnemar, Pearl, Slugoo, Imsel, Mudry, Piper, Achu, Smoosh, Wooloo, Squawk, Seal, Zwoz, Torquinator, Flubby, Weedo, Minon, Munna, Apom, Watch, Dumbbells, Pugler, Lightning Energy, Draw Energy, Ponyta, Fire Energy, Wobbuffet, Reverse Sandshrew, Fighting Energy, Yumper, Grubbin, Metal Energy, Dark Energy, Snover, Fighting Energy, Growler, Snoom, Trigger, Otter, Hollow Intro, Toxic, Trigger, Lavatar, Quabero, Bango, and Meowth. And these I had to take out my GXs so I can show you. And all of them are in here. I'm not letting you see. Now we are going to do my other book. My other bundle. Chinchou Reverse, Luna, Stunfisk, Colossal, Fighting Energy, Murphy, Dark Energy, Leaf Energy, Lightning Energy, Split Top, Sheldon, Watch Out, Eat Curds, Cubone, Woolo, Reverse Skullport, Gavinar, Deer Lane, Froggy, Wozy, Psychic Energy, Poliwag, Senti, Krabby, Blocks, Pusher, Polygon, Annoying Sand Slash, Market, Dusko, Tormo, Jinx, NK, Panzer, Panger, Hollow Volcanian, Splitzy, Fire Energy, Chimera, Meow, Tangela, Green Lion, Bellsprout, Boiler, Bronzor, Belcher, Wormpad, Carbero, with Tom, Cedar, and some for my GXs. Now, we're going to look at 1 month binder, then my main cards, and then my coins, and then that'll be the end of my show. So, another binder. Reverse Metal Energy, Reverse Fighting Energy, Reverse Pearl, Reverse Artress, Reverse Vor, Vizor, Reverse Bango, Reverse Scissor, Reverse Polygon, Reverse Fold, Reverse Wheezing, not Reverse Wheezing, Polygon Fold, Wheezing, Gunvolt, Hippopotamus, Bug, Chansey, Weird Hollow, Treasure, Polygon, Voltorb, Psyduck, Scorpion, Cottony, Scorbunny, Chinchou, Glen Ponyta, Trill, Sandy Gas, Brooks, Flubby, Shelter, Morlo, Reverse Scorbunny, Siltra, Morlo again, Lightning Energy, Dark Energy, Psychic Energy, Fire Energy, Fighting Energy, Unit Energy, Metal Energy, Hollow Voice, Water Energy, Meow, Duckwit, Gibble, Druck, and Sunquist, and Shiny Twitch. Now we're just going to go over some coins. Got 1 and 2 coin, and comment in below what this coin is, because I don't know what it is. And then my big ones are a big Darkrai, and these 2 came in a box, and Wackow came in a box with some other cards. And we're just going to show you this card. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and subscribe. Bye!